What's up, guys? So I'm back talking about a spec commercial that I shot a few days ago for my boy named Ross. He owns a store out in St. Pete that sells clothes, and also he had a couple skate decks laying around. So I was like, man, let's throw a commercial together that represents the brand. And to me, it's more than a brand. It's more of a lifestyle. So I pieced together this dope project and I'm happy with it. And I also put some behind the scenes footage, just showing the process a little bit, and hopefully you guys can take something away from it. So let me know, enjoy. We out here right now. Tyler just pulled up. We about to get the shooting. Stabilize it. Holds the camera. Silly. Just got done working out. I usually work out with like an empty stomach, or maybe a banana or some oatmeal right before. But I'm starving right now, so we about to go get some tacos and then head back to the crib. The spot is fire. Gotta try it. Fried shrimp tacos. What you got?
Carne asada.
Happy. So I think that's gonna be it for the vlog today, but I'm just out here on my patio. Just got done eating some tacos, so I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you made it this far, if you have any suggestions on any content you want to see from this channel, just put it in the comment section. I appreciate the engagement, and I can't wait until I get used to talking to a camera. It's still a little awkward for me, but hey, when you're uncomfortable, that's that's a sign that growth is coming, you know? So I just encourage you guys to push through that weird, awkward wall and, you know, just create and be yourself. But hey, I think that's it for the vlog. I thank you guys for tuning in, and much love. Peace.